If you've ever wondered how to add a clickable YouTube link to your Facebook post, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to do it, whether you're using an iPhone or Android. Let's jump right in. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. In the search bar, type in the name of the channel you're looking for and hit search. Scroll down, tap on the channel, then go to the Videos tab. Find the video you want to share and tap the three dots next to it. From the options that pop up, tap Share, then hit Copy Link. Now open the Facebook app. At the top of your feed, tap on the Post area. On the Post screen, long press on an empty space in the text area and tap Paste. Your YouTube link will appear right there, along with your caption or any info you'd like to share. Finally, tap Post in the top right corner. Give it a few seconds, and your post with the clickable YouTube link is now live on your Facebook feed. To make sure everything works, just tap the link. It'll redirect you straight to the video, and that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a quick tutorial.